Hello, today we are going to discuss about counting of blocks. When the number of cubes or blocks are cuboid in a figure needs to be counted, the procedure is described with the following illustrations. So let us draw one picture to understand this concept more accurately. So this is the required picture and we need to count the number of cubes in this given picture. Okay, now let's start the solution. It is clear from the picture that columns contain two cubes and two columns contain one cube each. Okay, it is clear that one column contains two cubes and two columns contain one cube each. Therefore, the total number of cubes are 1 multiplied by 2 plus 2 multiplied by 1. Therefore, 2 plus 2, which results in 4. As you can see that this column contains two cubes and this column contains each of one cube. Therefore, the total number of cubes is 4. Okay, now jump to the next problem. So let us draw another picture. So this is the required picture and we need to find how many cubes are there. Okay, so let's see. So first we give numbers to each of the cubes. So this is the first cube, this is second, this is third, this is the fourth, this is the fifth cube. Okay, this is sixth, this is seventh, this is eighth, this is ninth, this is 10th, this is 11th, and lastly this is 12th. As we can see that after give numbers to each of the cubes we have 12 small cubes. Okay, now let's do another sum to understand this concept more properly. Suppose a cube of 25 centimeter is divided into 125 smaller cubes. Centimeter side is divided into 125 smaller cubes of equal volume. Then we have to find the small side of smaller cube. Find the side of smaller cubes. So let's start the solution. Okay, the number of smaller cube is basically the volume of bigger cube divided by the volume of smaller cube. We already know this formula. So therefore the required number of smaller cubes are 25 cube divided by volume of smaller cube, and this is given in the question, which is equals to 125. Therefore, volume of smaller cube is equals to 25 cube divided by 125, which results in 125. Okay, therefore the side of smaller cube is the cube root of 125, which results in 5 centimeter. So our required answer is 5 centimeter. So that's all for today. Thank you very much.